दिव्या मैम।
हेलो, नमस्कार। नमस्कार। थैंक्स मैम फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी। मैं डॉक्टर दिव्या रानी, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ हिंदी से। अब इस वेबिनार के अंत में मैं अपने लास्ट स्पीकर, जो हमारे ही कॉलेज की एक स्टूडेंट है, वो सारे स्टूडेंट को रिप्रेजेंट करेंगी। मैं उन्हें बुलाना चाहती हूँ। वो नजाकत, जियोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट से सेमेस्टर 4 की स्टूडेंट है। नजाकत, आप आए और आकर मंच पर अपना अनुभव साझा करें कि आपने किन चुनौतियों का सामना किया ड्यूरिंग कोविड-19 और साथ ही साथ उससे कैसे निकल पाए। आप आइए और अपना अनुभव साझा कीजिए। नजाकत।
Well, a very good evening to everyone. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, Nazakat.
Okay, so shall I start?
Yes.
Sure.
Okay. So COVID-19, certainly we hate this word than anything else before. A proven disaster for the year 2020 has not only changed the daily lifestyle of the people, but also has brought a major challenge towards our education system. COVID-19 is impacting almost every sector of the economy, and the education sector is no exception. Schools, colleges, and institutes are closed, and even students are at home with the least contact with friends. All thanks to the COVID-19 pandemic sweeping over the world. Everything is virtual with no physical movement. School, universities, institutes of all levels have deferred and dropped examination. How even it was possible for us to step out of the house and attend our classes at regular basis during this lockdown period. But our professors did a lot for us, and no matter, we consider them as our savior, who were always there for us whenever we felt the need. Online medium of learning proved to be a successful way of conducting our classes and connecting with us. For years, we have been talking about digital transformation, but we're in some undefined future. Well, that future is here. The shift from thinking digital to being digital is troublesome because no one was ready until the COVID-19 took hold. Still, our professors were no less to overcome this trouble. The real factor of the 21st century have changed the way we access information, share knowledge, and ease learning. The COVID-19 pandemic and its resultant was no doubt challenging for our professors, and it has raised the need to adopt innovative ways of getting education service at all levels. The journey of empowering a full-scale digital transformation at short notice isn't a cakewalk, but if implemented right, it can be a lesson in resilience. WhatsApp group, PPT file, conference, video calling, and many more modes of connecting their students. They tried every possible way at their level best to help us and guide us at every single point. This pandemic has already revealed that colleges are so much more than just colleges. Our professors flipped learning overnight, and we could hardly see any irritation within them for their hard works, although they are feeling just as much stress as everyone else. Our professors deserve our appreciation now more than ever before. As challenging as a mother may find it to educate her child, just remember educators do it day in and day out. Now, not for the money and definitely not for the hours, but for the special opportunity to make a difference and move a child towards a successful future. We students want to give our biggest thanks to our entire SM College professors for making our learning so easy, and it was so much fun attending the online classes, and it was completely a new experience for all of us. Thanks a lot and have a good day. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू नजाकत। आज आपने हम सब बताया कि आप स्टूडेंट भी कोरोना से लड़ने के लिए तैयार हैं, और इसी के साथ मैं मंच का अगला संचालन करने के लिए डॉक्टर एस.के. सुमन सर, जो फूड एंड न्यूट्रिशन डिपार्टमेंट से हैं, उन्हें आमंत्रित करूँगी। सर, आप आएँ, वोट ऑफ थैंक्स के लिए अपनी बात रखें। थैंक यू।